Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to change your Discord status to idle on your mobile device. Whether you want to let your friends know you're away or just take a break without going offline, setting your status to idle is a simple and effective way to do it. Let's jump right into the updated steps. First, open the Discord app on your mobile phone. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once the app is open, look down at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture there. Tap on it. This will take you to your user settings and profile options. Next, you'll notice a small status icon right on your profile picture. It might look like a green circle, a red dot, or something else depending on your current status. Tap on this status icon to open the status menu. Here, you'll see several status options, including online, idle, do not disturb, and invisible. To set your status to idle, simply tap on the word idle. Instantly, your status will update, and your profile picture will show the yellow crescent moon icon, indicating that you're away but still online. Changing your status to idle is a great way to signal that you're not actively using Discord but don't want to appear offline. It's perfect for those moments when you're stepping away from your device or focusing on something else but still want to stay connected. And that's it. With just a few taps, you've successfully changed your Discord status to idle on mobile. It's quick, easy, and helps keep your friends and communities informed about your availability. Thanks for watching. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you next time.